Huh?
3, 2, 1, fire! What the hell is it?
But straight up. Straight up.
Right there on top of us.
Alright, so next we tested this one out, and this one good. And now we have this. It's just, this is what it looks like before, Baby Bertha. But I made it into a Boba Fett rocket. And there's a Boba Fett action figure in here. We're going to see how it works. This is just testing right now. We don't know what it's going to do, so you'll be seeing that next.
2, 1, fire! Open up! Yeah!
There he comes!
Beautiful! Both of them, right? Perfect! Yeah! Look at our boy up there,
there's Boba Fett.
Beautiful! Woo! Man! Off.
Now what? Let's get the rocket first.
Damn.
Right.
What a beauty!
Damn.
See that kid down there? Parachute again. Come on.
You know, you have to build the next one.
What's with the parachutes?
Wait, 1 second ago was a good flight, wasn't it?
Yeah, well, tell the guy inside he's dead.
All right, let's move on.
Good boy.
Yeah, wow, worked.
Hey, that was good. That was real good. It's going freezing out here. Jeez.
As soon as I walk away, hit it.
All right.
Well, as soon as I get it in my hands.
Yes.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Damn!
Whoa!
Oh!
Oh!
1. I want the opposite direction too.
Were you guys filming it?
Yeah, we were trying to.
Oh yeah,
On
that's cool.
my digital camera, I know.
Looks like you have a whole production over here.
Yeah.
You're gonna tape the landing on the moon.
It's fun
Yeah,
to watch
just
it
about.
over and over again, you know? Because it only lasts a couple seconds.